Beach job. Everything's tight. And we need to hit those windows over there for the first and second floor. Those windows on the first floor are not big enough for 54s. And then we're going to hit the second and third over here. And yeah, everything down here is tight. There's the property line with that fence. Bonus is no house next door. At least I can't get in trouble for blocking somebody's driveway, since there's no driveway. So they need to get into the gate. They got one right there. Good Sunday morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This job, as you heard by the intro, is a beach job down in Milford. I'm not a big fan, again, I've said it, of lake and shore jobs because they're always tight, but this one wasn't too bad. It helped having an empty lot next door to where I could set the trailer off and boom around the temporary power pole and boom over the empty lot to get what I needed to get done. Cold day, very windy. We had to make sure when we brought it in on the first and second floor on that left side of the house that we were leaned with the wind so that when they got near the end of the stack, it wouldn't flip it on the forks and break it. Made it a little bit tougher to pull because you're pulling 12-foot sheets, 16-foot sheets with the wind blowing right up against it. Not hard, of course. I mean, we get it done. That's what we're supposed to do. But other than that, second floor we had to bounce around 3 different windows on the second floor because it was very cut up with a total of, I think, 4 rooms plus a hallway and an extra bathroom. So couldn't get dollies around, so everything had to be brought in through individual windows. Other than that, it went well. You don't see in the video, we didn't deliver anything into the basement or quote garage because it wasn't ready yet. We sent a flatbed down later to do the basement and the garage to find out they ordered the wrong stuff, and we had to go back again to pull out the stuff and put back in the stuff. It is what it is. Please like and subscribe. At least like. It really helps out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Helps me out. Other than that, enjoy the video and have yourself a great day.